Don't vape, smoke air.
So, what day, guys? Where are we at?
最主诶，
最住
珠子
somewhere in the Yangmingshan region, the national park. And today seems to be a very foggy day, and it rains a lot. So we pay over like 1,000 yen to come up all the way here, including the train and the taxi, and all we had was a super delicious meal and a very cold weather. I mean, it's all good. It's a fun day of travel, but yeah, that view right there could have been a lot of tall mountains and yeah, beautiful scenery, but right now it's just a white canvas. It's freezing and I'm shaking, so bye.
looking good.
Looking good? Boom. We are back. Hi. So this vlog is rather short because we went to and we just got, when we got there, it was just storm after storm after storm, rain after rain, so we didn't really get to do much. But one of the best part about travel is that, you know, when there's something going bad, one of the best thing happened to us, which was the restaurant itself. We have no idea what the dishes are. I mean, we tried our Google Translate through our iPhone, but all we know is either like fish, chicken, you know, beef, pork, etc., etc. And we don't exactly know like what kind of flavor they're coming out. But oh my god, I think that was one of the best dishes, the best restaurant that I have ever eaten in Taiwan, especially in Taiwan, because it was the first time that I experienced a lot of like spices and like chili itself, and it was incredible. It was incredible. So yeah, one of the gem. I can't exactly remember the place. It was just one of the pit stop that you can, you know, walk around, take photos, because we didn't bother going further up because we know that it's gonna be raining and we don't have much time. We took a cab there. I kind of like vomited after that because it was just a windy road and I wasn't able to open up the window. So yeah, that was pretty bad. But I'm so glad that we found this restaurant, and yeah, I have some proper lunch, and it was a surprise for me. Yeah, I didn't know Taiwanese food is like that. So yeah, really nice. And then at night, I forgot to mention in the previous vlog, at night we went to this crazy it's not a bespoke, but crazy idea bar with a lot of ideas. Their cocktails are amazing. They look like this, like it's just out of the world. It's very creative, very innovative as well. So yeah, that's one of the cool experience that I had in Taiwan itself. So another thing that I want to mention is my partner, my girlfriend Eunice. So the story is like, we haven't been having like you know, like amazing, you know, things that go according to our plan for the past 2 days that are of our travel. But for me, I think those 2 days were the best there is, just because of how supportive she is and how her mood around me is. I don't know if that makes sense, but I am actually quite disappointed when I go to a destination and I couldn't, you know, see the view or enjoy the experience. But on the other hand, she was just a total opposite. I think, I don't know. I mean, if I were to say, for my age, I'm not handling the situation well, and for her age, she's handling the situation so well, and she just brings up the mood for the past 2 days, every time something goes south. So yeah, she's been incredible during this trip, and I want to thank her using through this video if she's watching. So yeah, it's quite crazy the past 2 days, but yeah, I'm really thankful how everything turns out. And yeah, that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.